Alright, so today we're at Max's house. He bought RACELAND coilovers and people either love or hate these coilovers, so today we're gonna find out. We're gonna put them on. Tyler and Max already got the 2 front wheels off. So yeah, let's get this started. Alright, so there's 3 bolts up top and how many bolts on the bottom? Can't remember. 2 bolts on the bottom and 3 on top, so it's gonna be pretty simple.
Dude, hold on, wait. Should I go, huh?
I think I'm just strong, bro.
I'm not strong, bro.
Max, you're lowered on H&R Springs right now, right?
Yes, don't recommend because it's just bouncy as shit, dude.
Yeah, like whenever you take a road trip in this car, it's like super comfortable, super bouncy. It's not even stiff, it's just bouncy.
And the thing that sucks about them is like the back sits lower than the front, so like it looks ugly. So
first one out.
it was like this.
Look at that color combo.
I know. It's
Crazy.
nice.
Oh shit.
Dude, that's perfect. Dude, it's gonna settle more.
You just finished the backside tomorrow?
Huh?
Tired.
Hey, we did Allen's. We stayed up hella late doing Allen's, so we're gonna have to do mine, dude. Yeah, I think when it settles, it'll sit really nice.
I like this height.
Yeah, that height's pretty perfect, actually.
I wanna go lower or higher. Just keep it like that.
Yeah, because it's gonna settle, so it's gonna.
I know this dude wants to go super low though, but I keep telling him that it's gonna look goofy being slammed on the 19s, but that's just my opinion. But looks good right now though.
Jack up in the back.
Oh yeah, huh? I'm gonna see if I have underwear on my tires. Hey, Alan. How you doing?
I don't know, for the sake of the
Suicide Boys. These 19-inch STi wheels are super heavy.
You know, someone trade me for the 15 through 17 STI wheels.
There you go.
I changed you for my 16s on my car. Oh. It's Ford logo though.
Give him your what are they, 15-inch SI wheels?
I give you my Acro wheels. For 17s.
I look?
Yeah.
Alright, let me take it. I need to put snow tires on this thing. It's just freaking heavy.
You're heavy. You built heavy.
So you can record me and not help me? Come on.
At Iowa Lakes Electric Cooperative, we serve our members and communities through innovative technologies and
All done. Now we just gotta lower the car.
They open your trunk too.
Okay.
I think I forgot like 2 bolts in the coilover.
Bro?
No.
No.
I asked you to open your trunk.
Oh. Well, that wasn't planned out. I want to go lower in the back.
Yeah. Back can go a little bit lower.
So, I guess I want to lower it. Should we do it?
Lower?
Yeah.
See you.
A little bit. Just a little bit, like barely.
Yeah, just a little bit. Just because I want it to be flush with the
Yeah.
front.
Get this done, go for a test drive.
Go eat.
And we're all hungry, so we're gonna go get some food. Right?
Yes.
Let's do
Yes.
it.
Yes.
McDonald's. And let's collect gang out.
Hold on, I'll see you guys when it's done. Alright, Max, we're done.
I guess. I like it though.
Get a cold start on the radio.
Alright, so we're going for a little test drive to see how they ride.
It's carburetor. Wait, are all the wheels tight in? You sure? I don't know if the wheels are tight all the way.
Dude,
Yeah?
they're not bad at all.
It's better, huh? Than the lowering springs.
Bro, I don't know how people talk shit about Raceland. This is actually not bad.
It's not bad.
Alright, so this road right here is notorious for having like huge bumps, so we're gonna test it on this road.
Is this one alright? Yeah. This one. Oh, that's good. That's way better than the H&R.
Alright, so first impressions, they ride way better than the H&R Lawrence Springs. He actually bought them off of a previous owner, so they've been used for like, how many miles would you say?
You said like 40,000.
40,000. So the struts are probably already wearing out and all that stuff. So but yeah, right off the bat, they ride really good. They're not like overly stiff or anything. Kind of feels like the stock STi suspension.
Should I high beam this person? Nah.
Headlights on.
Riding with the headlights off.
Yeah, cause when I hit that bump, it wasn't that bad. Cause usually with the H&Rs, you'd be fucking bouncing all over the place.
H&Rs were super bouncy. Not bad at all.
That's not bad. It feels like the regular STi suspension.
It does.
When I first got it. It was like stiff, but it wasn't bouncy. It was like pretty good. Oh, that's so good.
That's good.
That's so good. That's way better. It's not like.
I was honestly expecting the Racelands to be like super stiff, because I've seen like so many memes, and like there's like this one video, put it in right here. This guy, he was riding his car and he was like bouncing all over the place.
Oh yeah, but thanks to Carlos for helping me set the preload on them, because sometimes I don't think they set the preload on the coils when you get them, so I think you have to do it yourself when you get it.
Leave his Instagram right here. Go follow him.
Yeah, it's not bad. This feels like literally like OEM suspension.
Yeah.
I feel like that's why people like bash on this coilovers, because they max the shit out of it, and then that's when it starts to ride like shit, you know? Because
Yeah.
of course when you max it out,
It's gonna ride like crap.
it's gonna ride like dookie.
There's a car like
It's on the same.
out in the middle of the lake. What are your overall thoughts?
It's not bad. Like, people dog on it, but I think it's good. It rides literally the same as like the OEM STi suspension.
It does. Just a tad bit stiffer.
Yeah, just a little bit stiffer, that's it. But stiffer is better than bouncy.
Yeah.
So, yeah. To me, I think it's good. I give it a 5 out of 5.
Damn.
Actually, 4.5 out of 5. Okay. 4.5. 4.5. Because I wish it had dampening.